Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 18.1 beta update not showing on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method number 1. Enable beta updates. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on General, tap Software Update, tap Beta Updates, select iOS 18 Public Beta. Method number 2. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on General. On the General page, swipe up, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Method number 3. Check your Apple ID. Ensure you are signed in with the correct Apple ID and that is connected to the Apple Developer Program. Method number 4. Check for iOS update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on General, tap Software Update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Thanks for watching this video.